Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by locating where the attempt to index nil happens, read the stack trace, and note the file and line. Then, add targeted logging or print statements just before the index operation so you see the variable value and its type. Once done, inspect upstream returns and inputs. Make sure the function or API you call actually returned a table or object. If you see nil, trace back one call frame to find the missing assignment or failed initialization. Next, apply defensive checks where the indexing occurs. Write concise guards such as if obj and obj. Field then to avoid direct indexing of nil. Also, give variables safe defaults immediately after creation so they never stay nil. Initialize tables or objects with constructors. Make sure to validate all inputs at function entry and return clear errors if types are wrong. These steps stop the symptom and reveal the why, while keeping your code robust in different runtime conditions. Finally, verify the fix with focused tests. Build minimal reproducers that include nil and boundary inputs and run them until they pass. Use an interactive debugger or breakpoints so you can step through and confirm the variable becomes a table before indexing. If the error persists, add contextual logs showing the call chain and variable snapshots. Make sure to test the exact environment where the issue occurred. One key tip: if intermittent, check async timing and race conditions as the likely cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.